Use on fire world, let me lotions, the Dexos the fire world. Ooh, up Hemligidam, the one that every world. Skitzo maniac here standing tall and proud to celebrate a monumental moment with you all. The world has spoken and your love for the fusion fire is blazing brighter than ever. Over 100,000 views on this journey we call Fusion Fire World, and I am humbled by every single one of you who's made this possible. Let me take a moment to shout out my global family who's fueling the flame. Indonesia, my biggest following, over 20,000 views. We see you, we love you. You keep Asia's fire burning strong to Indonesia, one love. You are always in our hearts. Woo! Brazil, oh Brazil, 12v5 wanted views and rising. The great Redeemer watches over you as your soul soar to new heights. From Salvador to Sao Paulo, you're vibing with the flame at a commercial level. Obrigado, Brazil, a fusion fire will. America, my beloved America, over 6,000 views strong. Thank you for keeping the home fires burning, land of opportunity where my love belongs. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. It beats strong. Philippines, you're chiming in with over 6,000 views as well. We see you rocking the rhythm of the fusion fire, tambourine bells. Let's keep it blazing. And India, you're catching that fusion fire flame crazy out there. Asia is heating up and I'm loving the love. Let's go Philippines and India, you're showing the world how it's done. Kenya, wow, Nairobi, your vibe is incredible. Over 4,000 views from just Nairobi alone. Kenya, you're running up Skitzo's numbers and bringing the energy. Woo! Big love to Nairobi and all of Kenya. South Africa, you're feeling the fusion fire too. I see you vibing with the rhythm. Thank you, South Africa, for joining the wave. Let's go Africa, you're turning up the system. Europe, hello there, I see you rocking to the rhythm of the flame. France, you shine bright with over 2,000 views in Skitzo's name. Your souls are glowing and you're lighting up the map. Fire up your spirits, France. And to the UK, my brothers and sisters, I feel the love. Shout out to my fellow artist and friend John Eugene, a creator of beautiful music for Jazz Glory. Check his channel out, he's bringing the vibes, and together we'll make magic soon holier. To every corner of this world, every country, every soul that's embraced the fusion fire reggae. These are just the biggest followings right now, but the flame is spreading and this is only the beginning. Together we rise, together we teach, together we'll save this world with the sounds of fusion fire reggae. Let's set the world ablaze with unity and love. Oh, one unlegged in, you up than Eknerer.